Hello YouTubers! Now, today I'm gonna make an old chisel and we're gonna convert it into a knife. Why? Because this old chisel, it's not worth repairing or grinding new chisel. I just want to try to make a nice knife out of it because it's already bent, and chisels are gonna make good knives, and a knife is, in my case, more useful than a chisel because I'm not a carpenter. And yeah, I think it has a nice shape. So we're gonna flatten out this piece and then we're gonna shape the blade. I'm absolutely not sure. I have absolutely no idea which kind of blade we're gonna make, but we will see when we're forging. Now, next thing I'm going to do is going to the belt sander and refining the shape a little bit. And what I'm going to do here is make a nice rounding like that, and here going into a slightly drop point and refining the overall shape a little bit, and the surfaces, get them to a metal shine again so I can temper the whole piece with my torch. And then we're looking for a handle. Well, now I forged the blade and ground it a little bit to shape. It's already almost sharp. It's just 1/10 of a millimeter flat surface in the front. And next thing we're gonna do is choose a handle material. Ta-da! And I already chose a nice deer antler, and I wanted to make it fit so it's completely flush with the bolster here. And next thing I'm going to do is taking a finer grit and refine the whole blade again, give it some sharpness, and also preparing the tang to fit into this deer, because as you see it's a little bit wide here, so we need to flatten it down a little bit and give it a nice shape. So I think I'm going to make it like this. And here a bit thinner, and then it should be right for this knife. Okay, now after polishing a little bit more, I decided to not polish too much because I will polish it in the end when everything is finished, because here it's not like with a normal knife, it's a little bit different because we make a hidden tang knife and this bolster. Maybe we're gonna grind it. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do, but we will see. And next thing I'm gonna do is poke a hole in here, or drill a hole in here, better to say. Taking about a 2.8 to 3.2 millimeter drill bit and starting to carefully shape the hole like needed. So the tang fits inside here, and then we're gonna flatten this surface because it's just cut with a bandsaw, and then we're gonna optimize it to this surface so it fits perfectly together, and then we can glue it together with epoxy. Perfectly together. And next thing we're gonna do is file test the tang, and it's pretty soft, so we should be able to drill a hole through. And that's one important point we're gonna do, is drilling a security pin right through the whole piece, and that one will fit right here. So I'm drilling a 3 millimeter, or no, a 2 millimeter hole even in this case, and I put it even way more beyond, way more in the back of the whole piece. So I think we're gonna fit it in right here, so the integrity of the whole knife is not going down. And now I'm gonna fill it up with 5-minute epoxy and let it cure, and then we're gonna finalize the whole thing and make it finish. Okay, now the knife is finished, and I polished it up a little bit on the buffing wheel. I think it looks very awesome. The deer antler is pretty nice, neat, fits perfectly, and it's good in the hand. It's a bit thin, but that's okay. I wanted it that way, and I think it's an awesome steel, this chisel. I have to say, you feel it when polishing it, hand sanding it. You will feel how hard it is. I bet it has over 60 HRC, or at least 60 HRC. That's Rockwell hardness. And I think it turned out a very nice knife. And it's razor sharp. I don't have a lot. Oh, it's extremely razor sharp. As you can see, I do not even need to touch it. Just barely gliding over with the knife, and it's completely shaving everything. Oh yeah, it's as sharp that it's really shaving sharp. These are beard hair, so it's really shaving sharp. Now, hope you liked this video. Please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and thanks for watching.